especially to today's weekly and review. So we're going to be reviewing what happened in the course of the week. We've been waiting for this reversal for DXY, and it's DXY was crazily going bearish, and we're anticipating that it was going to get to this point. Okay, so but this liquidity was not taken, so it was able to hold price, and we're back up to this point. So for those of us who are optimistic about what the market has been giving us lately, and you're expecting a good move, I want you to know that we are currently on an uptrend for DXY. So DXY will definitely be an uptrend up until this liquidity. So for next week, I would advise you, if you want to trade GU, EU, if you go bearish, you're going to be making good money, and you're going to be on the trend. But if you go bullish, you'll be trading against the trend. And remember, they were saying the trend is your friend. Okay, so for bullish, go short next week in case you find bullish moves. But look for more sells than bullish next week for GU and EU. But that's what is happening currently. So, but I just want to show you what we did. So that's just a quick review, just in case you're wondering what's going to happen. So these are the trades we took. They didn't quite play as expected. Okay, it's not really a profitable week. Some weeks are like that. Yeah, but just little loss, not much, because of risk management. So the first one we exited, we were not ready to take any stop loss. The second one we went out on break even. The third one we exited. I think it's the fourth one we took stop loss. Then the fifth one went to take profit. The sixth one we exited. The seventh one we exited, even though he hit stop loss for those who did not exit before he went to take. So we have 2 take profits if this was gotten well. Then we now had the third take profits. So we had 3 take profits. Now, so this is the beautiful thing about risk management. Don't be afraid of the losses, okay? So what happens is, if you calculate these losses here, this may be 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 20 pips, 10 pips, that's how many? That's 60 pips, right? 60 pips. Now count this. This is about 30 pips. Count this. This is about 25 pips. That's 55 pips. Okay, remember it's 60 pips loss. Count this. This is about 30 pips. So 55 plus 30 is 95 pips. Did you see that now? But the loss is just about 60 pips. So 90 minus 60 pips gives you 35 pips. That's how to be profitable. So you must learn this and understand this. Then I'm talking to all of you that take my signals to take trades. Please don't risk more than 1% of your capital. The more you risk 1%, more than 1% of your capital, the more you are ready not to succeed in trading. You will keep on losing. In case you are thinking you outsmart the market, you are never smarter than a computer. Take note of that. You're never smarter than an algorithm. You can only create a niche for yourself, and then take advantage of your edge. So that is actually what your edge should be. Now that's for GU. So we had how many wins now? 3 take profits. This is partial. This is partial. 2 partials, 1 stop loss, and exits. Okay, so it's supposed to be a profitable week if you're able to manage this trade. I was not able to manage this one because there was news, so I exited this. So that's the reason why I'm not in profit. But right now, like I said, we're going bearish on GU for next week. We will be very profitable next week because the direction for the market for next week is very clear, and it will run till the upper week. Now for EU, we didn't take much entry because EU was not really giving me full confirmation. I'm seeing just 3 entries that we took, so only this one went close to take profit. This was exit and this was exits. Okay, and then for gold, we didn't really take much entries because the market was not really showing a clear buyer, so we're very careful. And for the fact that gold is very delicate, it's something that we don't play with. Okay, we pay attention, we pay close attention to the delicacy of gold, because if you play with gold, gold will play with you. So we're very careful not to allow gold play with us. So these are the entries we took on gold. These are the entries we took off. 3 did not hit execution points. We're expecting it to execute at this order block or fair value gap, but it just went straight to take profit. So we missed that entry. The second one got us executed, went straight to take profit. So this was massive for gold. The fourth one went out on break even. The fifth one actually went to hit stop loss first before came to take profit. I think that was during news. So if you look at these are good entries actually. Only one hit take profit. This one did not execute. So out of 4 trades, one did not execute. So only 3 trades were executed, of which one went straight to take profit, one is on partial, and this one went to stop loss before going to take profit. So that means our buyers for gold for the week, though it was not very clear, but we did well in able to predict this trade. So just imagine what next week will be like. For me, as long as DXY is bullish, I'll be finding bears on gold. Let me look at this. So I just want to employ that everyone should get ready for the weekly analysis, of which will be coming up at the beginning of next week. So the weekly analysis will give you much more what to expect. So if you are looking at gold from the 4-hour time frame, you find that gold made the high of the highest in 4-hour time frame on the main time. And now if you look, you see that it has retested this liquidity level. There's much liquidity here, of which it's looking like the financial institution might move gold price from this level, okay, down to about this level. So I'm going to be looking for bears on gold for next week. Watch out for the weekly analysis. Right there I will tell you exactly what gold will do in the course of the week. Now I may not be able to give you update on the Deriv because my time is very fast spent, but I'm going to give update on the VIP group and the free channel. We took one boom trade. Now don't joke with our Deriv entries. They are usually very key and very precise. Now look at the boom we took. It went straight to take profit, and the crash. Let me see the crash that we took quickly. Okay, we took crash 500. Now I don't trade crash 300, crash 1000. They're very volatile, so I stick to 500 and boom 500. Okay, so in fact for some time now I've not been trading volatility. I just stick to crash and boom because of the account I'm actually working on. That account is too small for those high volatilities. So crash took take profit here. This one he went to hit stop loss first before he went to take profit. So but I must tell you that our entries are very beautiful. Our strategies have good urge. Okay, here you can see almost got take profit. Okay, what else am I supposed to show you? I'm going to be posting update for volatility 25 and the rest of it on the groups. I think we took some take profit, nice take profit for volatility 50, volatility 75 in the course of the recent times. So let me just show you crypto quickly. For crypto, Bitcoin, I was able to analyze Bitcoin, but because I was a little busy with Deriv, Forex, so I didn't really take crypto trade. Okay, but this is a good time to buy BTC. Okay, BTC did the lowest of the low just a few days ago. BTC was just $58,000, but right now BTC is going back to $70,000. So for anybody who wants to buy BTC, this will be the best time to buy BTC. Now, but before it gets to $70,000, you know this is already a change of character. But right now is it has broken structure upward. It has done double touch here, of which I'll be expecting BTC to take out this liquidity. But once it takes it out, I'll wait for a retracement before I go on my long buy on BTC. And for Ethereum, Ethereum and BTC are playing out the same scenarios. You find that Ethereum is currently on that same kind of liquidity, and Ethereum wants to give a massive buy, of which I see Ethereum coming to the highest of high that it has not made in a long time. So Ethereum might be going to 3,300. Okay, so that's it. So watch out for my weekly analysis, where I will give you breakdown of what to expect in the new week. Have a great weekend. Make sure you study, make sure you watch beautiful insightful videos that will teach you more about the forex and crypto market.